Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 9th English medium subject English. Friends, we were discussing about the lesson from the book Moments, chapter number 2, The Adventures of Toto. In our video number 1, we already discussed about the half lesson of this chapter number 2. Those who hadn't seen that video, firstly watch that video so that you can understand what is the real story of this lesson. If you see directly this video, you are unable to understand what is the exact theme or exact story of this lesson. In our previous video we already discussed on about the Toto, which kind of the mischievous activity were done by the Toto, that all we discussed in that. Let's see what will happen ahead with the Toto. When the Toto was finally accepted by the grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable. When finally grandmother was accepted to this animal, to this Toto, mischievous Toto, at that time he will get a comfortable home in a stable. Stable means a place where horse kept out. Okay, घोड़ों को रखने की जगह. Where he had for a companion the family donkey. In the stable he has a companion. Okay, into that stable companion, it was donkey. The name of the donkey was Nana. Okay, Nana is the name of that donkey. On the Toto's first night into the stable, whenever Toto was in there into the first time into the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. Grandfather went there to see the situations of the stable, that Toto was feeling comfortable or not there. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from the bundle of hay. Bundle of hay means जो घास होता है, whatever the thing looking like a, we can say in Hindi that सूखा घास जो होता है वो किसके लिए होता है? It is for the animals. Okay, pet animals. So the donkey was not eating that hay. Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her hunches. Grandfather was become angry on the Nana, the donkey. Okay, and he gave the slap on his hunches, and she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. He had fastened on her long ear with his sharp little teeth. Monkey, the Toto was very mischievous, and Toto was fastened that Nana's ear with its sharp tip. मतलब अपने teeth से उसको काट लिया था. Toto and Nana never become friends. Toto and Nana, they will never become friends into the entire life. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evening was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. During the winter time, grandmother treated him as a family member, so she gave him warm water for bathing, taking bath. Bowl of warm water. He would cunningly test the temperature with his hand. He was cunningly means chalaki se, okay, trying to check that temperature with his hand. Then gradually step into the bath, and after the checking the water is okay or not, water is completely suitable for bathing or not, after that he was gradually enter into the, gradually means dheere se, okay, enter into the bath. First one foot, like a human, he put it down his one foot first, then the other foot, as had seen me doing. As writer were doing the same thing, the Toto observed that and copied that thing like a writer until he was into the water up to his neck. That Toto was put it down his body into the water till his neck. Okay, and what will happen with him? Once comfortable, if he feeling comfortable, he was enjoying into that bath, he would take a shop in his hand. After that, feeling comfortable situation, after put it down itself or himself into the comfortable situation, he would take a sop in his hand and rub his feet and himself all over, as writer was doing. When the water become cold, when the water become cold, he would get out and run quickly. He feel that water become cold, he ran out from the water and quickly went to the kitchen as he could, to the kitchen fire, in order to dry himself. Why he went to the kitchen? He went nearby the kitchen fire to dry himself from the cold. If anyone laughed at him during this performance, if anyone was laughing at him or trying to make the joke of him, Toto's feeling would be hurt. Toto's feeling will be hurt. He didn't want to like that anyone was laughing on him, and he would refuse to go on with his bath. Okay, the next day he would refuse to go with his bath, means he will not go with him, that person who was laughing on him for bathing. One day Toto nearly succeed in boiling himself alive. One day Toto was completely boiling himself alive. All these mischievous things were doing by the Toto. A large kitchen. What happened? Why writer wrote here that boiling himself alive? That incident was described downside. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for a tea, and Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove the lid. One day what happened? One day there was one kettle was put it down on the fire for making the tea, and Toto didn't know what is that. So he was trying to remove that lid. Lid means dakkan. Okay, finding the water just warm enough for a bath, and he find that water is enough for the bath. He got in. He was got in into the kettle. His head sticking out from the open kettle, and his head was sticking out, means comes out from the open kettle. He didn't know that this water is too much warm, that he could not take the bath from this water. So this was just a fine for a while, until the water began to boil, because the fire is put it downside. Okay, put it on downside, so there is a huge fire downside. So whenever the water become getting more and more hot, he was feeling uncomfortable. Toto then raised himself little. He was raised himself because he feels more warmth and more boiled water, but finding it cold outside, sat down again. And if you finding cold outside, whenever he comes out from that kettle, he find very comfortable outside, he find very cold outside, and he sat down again. He continually hopping up and down for some time. He was doing the same activity for some time, until grandmother arrived and hauled him half boiled out of the kettle. When grandmother went there and handle, means with the lots of effort, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत से grandmother put it out that monkey from that kettle. So this incident was very mischievous from the Toto. If there is a part of a brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. If we are talking about the mischief, badmasi ki baat kare, that part is largely developed into the Toto. He was always tearing things to the piece. He was always trying to tearing means tukde kar dena into the pieces. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, one aunt of this writer came near him, he made him effort to get hold of a dress and tear a hole in it. Okay, he put it down, he pick out his aunt dress, and make a huge hole into her dress. One day at a lunch time. One another incident was described here. One day at a lunch time, a large dish pulao stood into the center of the dining table. One day what happened? Onto the dining table, pulao was putting down on the dining table. We entered the room to find Toto suffering himself with stuffing himself with rice. We find that Toto was suffering, stuffing means मुंह के अंदर भर देना. That rice was putting down in his mouth. My grandmother screamed. Screamed means चिल्लाना. Okay, she was become very angry, and Toto threw the plate at her. Toto threw that plate to the grandmother. One of my aunts rushed forward. One aunt was sitting there. One aunt of the writer was sitting over there. She rushed towards the monkey and received a glass of water in the face. And monkey Toto was throwing the glass of water on the face of that aunt. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of the pulao and made him exit through the window. Whenever grandfather came into the room, Toto went out from the room through the window and also take the plate of that pulao with him. We found him to the branches of the jackfruit tree. We find him means the whole family was finding that he went out from the window and sit onto the branch of the jackfruit tree, and he was eating, he was enjoying the meal. The dish still in his arm. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every grain. He was sitting entire afternoon and eating all those things, all the grain, and he was enjoying this afternoon. And then, in order to spite grandmother who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down the tree. Sorry. For making the more angry to grandmother, he was put it down that dish downside of the tree and chattered with the delight when it broke into 100 pieces. And he feels happy. He make the voice like a delighted animal when this dish was breaking down into the 100 pieces. So this mischievous was very much unbearable. Obviously, Toto was not in a spot of pet we could keep for a long. Obviously, the writer wants to say that monkey is not considered as an animal to kept as a pet. Even grandfather realized that we were not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of disease, clothes, curtain and wallpaper. We are unable to fulfill this kind of the situation every time. We are not as much rich to afford this kind of the mischievous activity was done by the monkey, because all the time he put it down the dishes, tearing the clothes, curtain, wallpaper, everything he was destroying in the house. So a monkey is not considered as a pet animal. We realized that and we decide that we will not bring this monkey with us. So grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold Toto him to back. And grandfather find that cart driver from whom he was purchasing this monkey, and he sent it back to that Tonga driver. How much rupees? For only 3 rupees. He was purchased this monkey in how much rupees? He was purchased this monkey in 5 rupees and sold this monkey into the 3 rupees after facing a lot of destruction into their home. Okay, so this is the funny story we can say about the monkey Toto, its mischievous habit, and everything was described by the Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was the writer of this beautiful story, funny story. I hope you all enjoy to listening this story related to this video. Whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF, that you have to write down in your notebook properly. Okay, in our next video we will discuss about another lesson, new lesson. Okay, bye.